Resonance frequencies can often cause problems in a mix, leading to a muddy or boomy sound. They are the frequencies that are naturally amplified by the physical properties of an object or space. In audio mixing, these frequencies can become problematic, causing certain notes to sound louder than others. Here's a guide on how to remove these troublesome frequencies using an equalizer. Identify the problem frequencies. The first step in removing resonance frequencies is to identify them. This can be done by using a spectrum analyzer, which displays the frequency content of your mix. Look for frequencies that are consistently higher than others, as these are likely your problem areas. Use a parametric EQ to cut frequencies. Once you've identified the problem frequencies, you can use a parametric EQ to reduce them. A parametric EQ allows you to select a specific frequency and adjust its gain and bandwidth. Controls. Gain. This controls the level of the selected frequency. To remove a resonance, you'll want to decrease the gain. Bandwidth. Q. This controls how wide or narrow the range of affected frequencies is. A narrower bandwidth, higher Q, affects fewer frequencies, allowing for more precise adjustments. Fine-tune the EQ settings. After making your initial cuts, listen to your mix again. You may need to adjust the gain or bandwidth to get the sound you want. Remember, the goal is to reduce the problem frequencies without negatively affecting the rest of the mix. It's a delicate balance, and it may take some trial and error to get it right. Check your mix on different sound systems. Finally, always check your mix on different sound systems to make sure it sounds good everywhere. What sounds good on your studio monitors might not sound good on a car stereo or a pair of earbuds. If you notice any resonance frequencies on these other systems, go back to your EQ and make the necessary adjustments. Removing resonance frequencies is an essential part of mixing and mastering. It can help clean up your mix and make it sound more balanced and professional. Remember, every mix is different, so what works for one song might not work for another. Always trust your ears and don't be afraid to experiment with different EQ settings. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.